Okay, hey guys, I got a fidget spinner right here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to take it apart. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, let's get into the video. Here we go. Okay, guys. First, what you want to do to take it apart? Here, you have to push out these 3 in the middle one too. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna place that right there. Do it here. Okay, guys, what you gotta do is you gotta take the cap. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I'm just gonna push it out with my shirt. Here we go. You got that one. Ugh. You got that one. Gosh. That hurts, dude. Hurts my finger from doing that. It hurts. Try again. Gosh. But anyway, guys, you can pop it out. It would look like this. What you do that, you can just pop out. Once you do that, you can pop the bearings out. And, yeah, you can take out. Okay, guys, I got all of them out. Here is just a little chamber thing. It's just that. And that on that side, you have the 2 finger pads. And, yeah, those are all the bearings. They spin. Here's this bearing. There we go. Here's this bearing. If you guys want to see there it is. Then here's this. That goes for all of them. Thank you guys for watching. And guys, if you guys want me to do a hydro dipping my fidget spinner, I can definitely do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.